I'm back with a new video. Yes, already. It's only been 2-3 days, but yes. So this time I'm back. I already say back, and I already say already. Yes. Anyways, so yeah, yesterday I got a package from Yesegia. I filmed a video, but I got some problems, so I'm doing another video 2 days. Yeah. Again, yeah, Yesegia. So came in this beautiful package. Yes, it's all with me. It's my address. Already opened it. Came in this package with lots of bubble wrap. I don't have complaint to say about them. I did like 6, 7, 8 times I ordered of them, and their package always came in less than 2 weeks. This one took 11 days. 11? Yes, 11. And yeah, I don't complain. Everything is alright. So what I got in this package is BTS in the Mood of Love Part 2, or the most beautiful in life, or the most beautiful moment in life Part 1. Taiwan, his edition. So as you can see, this version looks really like same size. Korean, this one's Korean, this one is Taiwan. Yes. So the cover is slightly darker, but it don't show much like the back. I don't know, I think you can see, I don't think. And there's no sticker on this one because, you know, not Korean. This one sticker. So yeah. So this edition comes with 1 CD and 1 DVD with the 2 versions of I Need You, like here. So the DVD is free region, so everyone can listen to it, and it's all nice. Everything's nice. It's really nice. And the cover are really, usually the cover is darker. So and yeah, so you can see the CDs. For me, the CDs in the front, like came like this. CDs in front. And the DVDs in the back. Beautiful DVD. And like, I don't think I need to show the photo booth, because seriously this is the same thing like as the Korean, like Korean lyrics, everything's Korean, like it's like Korean album but with a DVD and no sticker. This is very simple. And it comes with this sheet of lyrics. I think it's Taiwanese. Please just correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not an open book nor a dictionary. I don't know everything, so I think it's Taiwanese, from Taiwan, is the word. Or Chinese. I'm really sorry. So you can see traduction. I don't think you see. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's just in black and white. It's just black and white. So, like I said, no, I don't think I say it. So it comes with a regular photograph, like the ones that came in the regular album, Korean album. And it also contained an exclusive postcard. Yes. So yeah, the photo card. I put it out. Rap Monster. I just don't understand anything. This is my third time. One time in my regular album, a second time in my full single album, and now. So I can compare. So I can compare the photo card. So the Taiwanese, the photo card are a little bit darker than the Korean, like pinkish. Sorry, this one's Korean. It's like really lighter, and this one can see. Look more pink or pinkish, something like that. So, yes, Two-Rep Monster. The back is same. Okay, correct. And for the postcard, thank God I didn't get Rep Monster. I got a group card. Oh, seriously, the postcard are really beautiful. I don't regret getting my hand on this album. This album is kind of a little bit expensive, and the time I was supposed to buy the album, it was out of stock. And when I came again on the website, I was like, oh, there's something in my car, and oh, there's this album. This album was like not in this world anymore. So yeah, I just got the pink copy. Anyway, I really like the pink album picture or print. So yeah, group card. I wish it to get the hope, but I don't regret it. It's going to be really hard, and their size is kind of big. They're really big. They don't fit in 2 pockets page. I'm sad. Comparatively to first Monster, who can fit in the 2 pocket page. Just BTS thing. So yeah, it's really nice. Like beautiful. So I'm kinda looking to trade it for J-Hope, mainly J-Hope, mostly J-Hope. Yes, J-Hope. Yes. So yeah, this was my not really much unboxing because I saw everything already. It's still unboxing because it's the video. Can see my face? No, I'm kidding. My face is not that important. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. Like, I don't know, it's the same thing. Do whatever you want. Like, if you don't like my video, that's okay. I'm not going to complain. Like, not really need to like my video, but please give it a lot of loves. So, see you probably next week. I don't know. Seriously, see you next time. So, yeah. Bye bye.